Hello and welcome. Today I'll be discussing how to find freelance jobs on popular platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru, and PeoplePerHour. Specifically, I'll be looking at 5 types of freelance jobs: writer, designer, developer, translator, and virtual assistant. So whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your opportunities or someone considering freelancing as a career path, this video is for you. But first things first, to find any freelance jobs on any of the platforms that I'll be discussing today, you need to first set up your profile and portfolio. And be sure to showcase your skills related to the freelance jobs you're seeking, your areas of expertise, and any relevant experience. Now, let's look at each platform's website a bit. First up is Upwork.com. That is one of the largest freelance job platforms with millions of jobs posted each year. You can find freelance jobs in various categories, such as writing, web development, design, accounting, and more. As a freelancer, you can search for jobs by keyword and filter by budget, project type, and more on Upwork.com. Next up is Freelancer.com. That's another popular freelance job platform where you can find jobs in different categories such as writing, programming, design, data entry, and more. It allows you to bid on projects and communicate with clients directly. And you search for jobs on freelancer.com just like you do on upwork.com. Next up is fiverr.com. That's a freelance job platform where you can offer your services in different categories, such as writing, design, video editing, programming, and more. Clients can browse your profile and hire you for their projects. Fiverr.com operates in a similar way to Upwork and Freelancer, except you do not search for jobs there. Instead, you create what's called gigs that clients can browse and purchase. Next up is Guru.com. That's another freelance job platform that offers jobs in different categories, such as web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. You can create a profile and bid on projects posted by clients that match your skills. Last is PeoplePerHour.com. That's another freelance job platform that offers jobs in various categories, such as web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. It allows you to set your own rates and communicate with clients directly. And LikeGuru.com, you can bid on jobs posted by clients that match your skills. Now, I'll describe some of the responsibilities included in those 5 jobs mentioned at the beginning of the video. Number 1, freelance writer. Freelance writing is a popular and versatile freelance job. A freelance writer creates content for various publications or clients, such as articles, blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. They may specialize in different niches, such as travel, health, business, technology, or lifestyle. Number 2, freelance designer jobs. A freelance designer creates visual designs for websites, apps, products, or marketing materials. They may specialize in graphic design, web design, UI or UX design, or other design disciplines. They work with clients to understand their needs and to create designs that meet their goals. Number 3, freelance developer jobs. A freelance developer creates software, websites, or mobile apps for clients or companies. They may specialize in different programming languages or platforms, such as Java, Python, JavaScript, or iOS. They work with clients to understand their requirements and to develop custom solutions. Number 4, freelance translator. A freelance translator converts written or spoken content from one language to another. They may specialize in different languages or subject areas, such as legal, medical, or technical. They work with clients to ensure that the translation is accurate and meets their needs. And number 5, freelance virtual assistant. A freelance virtual assistant provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. They may handle tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing email and social media accounts, as well as conducting research or creating presentations. They work with clients to ensure that their work is completed efficiently and effectively. So there you have it. We've discussed 5 different types of freelance jobs and how to find them on popular platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru, and PeoplePerHour. Now remember, you've got to create a strong profile and portfolio, and you need to showcase your skills and experience in any of these platforms. And if you do that with some effort and dedication, you can find freelance work and build a successful career as a freelancer. Are you already a freelancer? If so, drop a comment down below and share your experiences with everyone. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate all of you peeps. So like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And remember peeps, have fun, stay safe, and stay young. Bye for now.